Hi again, everybody. It's Jason from Rangeland RV, just north of Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I'm here at the 11th annual Elkhart, Indiana Forest River Expo. Today we're down in the Rockwood section before everybody gets a chance to get here, and we're super excited to show you a brand new Rockwood Geo Pro. This is called the 12RKS, brand new floor plan. Really excited to show you guys this. So last year's 12RK, super popular coach. This one comes in at 1,700 pounds and has a whole lot of extra features. So what you're seeing in the rear kitchen here is they went to an actual RV refrigerator. So this is a gas electric fridge, unlike their small minibar fridge that needed to run off a power inverter or be plugged in to do so. You're completely off the grid now with this one. Also features a 1,000-watt inverter with a 100-watt solar panel fixed to the roof, all set up with a charge regulator, so you literally can be completely off the grid with this one. We also have a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, and there's a 20-gallon freshwater reservoir in this little trailer. Comes equipped with a hot water heater and all sorts of things. One of the things I'm really excited about is what they've done on the inside of this coach with a complete redesign, made it extremely functional. Let's swing around and show you a couple of great features. So you can see that they've put the Thule box awning on this coach this year, which is really exciting as well. It was raining super hard earlier this morning, and it's nice and dry in your campsite area. So a great feature to have, easy to crank out, doesn't add a bunch of weight to the coach, and it's fixed to the side of the awning, so very convenient. Still have your Coleman carry-out style stove, which you'll just use a portable propane bottle for. Weatherproof workstation out here, and you're seeing this 12RKS with the off-road package on it as well, which gives you a 15-inch wheel, big off-road tire, lots extra ground clearance on this. I'm gonna sneak you inside real quick and show you this. So here's what I love about it. We have a gaucho style bed, so on those rainy days you're stuck inside, you can sit back, listen to some music, watch a movie on TV, because they all come with 12-volt TVs if you choose to option that one in. Pull out trundle bed, it gives you a nice big bed. It's about 48 to 54 inches in width and nice and long for those tall guys. There's some extra cabinets in here, lots of great features, LED lighting, all sorts of things. We're super excited at Rangeland RV to be your exclusive Rockwood dealer. Can't wait for you to come down and visit us. If you guys like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll keep sending you lots and lots of videos. We're going to show you a bunch of Rockwood this week down here at the 11th annual Forest River Elkhart, Indiana Expo. Thanks again for watching.